Marieville.
Oui, monsieur, j'ai un numéro ici, le garage Stéphane Brimeur, c'est bien lui.
Affirmatif.
Jusqu'à tu sembles me contacter, je vous remercie.
Merci. In the truck. Wilson. Hey Bobby, can you give me a call on my cell phone when you get a chance, please? Sure, yeah. Be a little bit. I just pulled on to the park road. I wanted to tell you about my son's got something for you, so can you give me a call before you get there? Good service, yeah. Thank you. Good to see you.
St. Albans Central with a non-emergency page for St. Albans Town Fire. Looking for a fire officer to contact dispatch. St. Albans Central repeating, non-emergency page. Looking for a fire officer to contact dispatch. Central standby at 1840.
This Cap, merci. Rick Tony is taking that vehicle. It's George Nor Young 13. What's your 20? Just south of 50, north of that older